you have a battery, right? Is it in there?
Actually, the battery's over there. I think it's under those seats. I was watching one of the Wheeler Dealer episodes, and they picked up an '89 Fox Body.
I feel like I've seen that one.
Just like Kevin's. Yeah, it was out. It came out like last summer, I think. And in one of the scenes, they go to the BDK headquarters, I guess, where they make the actual headers and shit.
Right, right.
And the headers that were being made for his car, you got to watch them be made.
That's
it was
crazy.
really cool. And,
I didn't see that whole thing. I just saw like little parts of it. Or
yeah. And the guy was walking through it, showing them just around everywhere. Like, this is so cool. That, like, I could work at a place like that.
Yeah, right.
Awesome.
Yeah. Real good too.
Amazing to see the machine was just bending fucking tubing. Well,
Like it was so, like to a jig. It's like a jig or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put a bolt in already. I think it's coming on the floor.
Tasty chips. Bro, I had a pina colada thing at the 7-Eleven the one night. It was so good. I said, this, you know, if I just had a little bit of alcohol, that would have been perfect. I don't have enough guys to fucking work. So if I get 2 loads, then I got to scramble around for escorts because I don't have anybody.